Hey there, military buffs. Today, I'm diving into one of the most secretive and technologically advanced military units in the world, Israel's Unit 8200. Recently, this elite unit has come into the spotlight due to a daring operation against Hezbollah in Lebanon. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the Hezbollah pager attack. Hezbollah orders thousands of pagers, expecting them to be harmless communication devices. But instead, they receive pagers rigged with explosives. This sophisticated attack led to multiple deaths and injuries, showcasing the unconventional tactics modern warfare can involve. Though Israel hasn't officially confirmed their involvement, sources hint at Mossad, possibly with Unit 8200, being behind this operation. Now, what makes this attack truly fascinating is the use of seemingly mundane technology, pagers, as weapons. This highlights the vulnerability of civilian infrastructure and the evolving nature of security threats. It's a stark reminder that in today's world, even the most innocuous devices can be turned into tools of destruction. So who exactly is Unit 8200? Often compared to the U.S. National Security Agency, Unit 8200 is Israel's top-tier military intelligence unit. They specialize in intelligence gathering, cyber warfare, and technological innovation. Their members are highly skilled in software development, cryptography, and cybersecurity. This makes them a formidable force in the digital age. Unit 8200's past operations give us a glimpse into their capabilities. From the Stuxnet attack on Iranian nuclear facilities to thwarting an Islamic State air attack, this unit operates on a global scale. Their expertise in cyber warfare underscores the increasing importance of technology in modern conflicts. Nations must develop sophisticated cyber defenses, and Unit 8200 is at the forefront of this effort. But it's not all smooth sailing for Unit 8200. They've faced criticism, especially after the Hamas attack on southern Israel. Despite their advanced capabilities, they were scrutinized for failing to anticipate and prevent the attack. This incident highlights the challenges faced by intelligence agencies in a rapidly changing security environment. Constant adaptation and improvement are essential. Unit 8200 isn't just about military operations. It has a unique work culture that emphasizes innovation and problem-solving. The unit recruits some of Israel's brightest young minds, fostering an environment that encourages independent thinking and out-of-the-box solutions. This approach has had a significant impact on Israel's thriving tech sector. Many veterans of Unit 8200 have gone on to found successful startups and technology companies. Their skills and experience gained in the unit have been instrumental in earning Israel the nickname Startup Nation. It's a testament to how military training and experience can translate into civilian success. The unit's emphasis on practical skills and real-world problem-solving has proven invaluable in the competitive world of technology entrepreneurship. Despite its high turnover rate, with young recruits constantly replacing veterans, Unit 8200 has maintained its reputation for excellence. The unit's legacy extends beyond intelligence gathering and cyber warfare, shaping Israel's technological landscape and inspiring a generation of innovators. It's a story of how fostering a culture of innovation within national security agencies can lead to broader societal benefits. So, there you have it, folks. Unit 8200, a blend of military prowess, technological innovation, and entrepreneurial spirit. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the world of military intelligence. Catch you next time.